We're almost there.
Wait, can we rest real quick?
Rest? You'd like to rest? Now? The treasure's right on the other end. Could be. What kind of pirate are you?
I mean, we've been walking for a couple of days. I mean, I'm getting pretty tired, I need to rest.
Alright! This guy wants to rest. Well, come now. Let's go rest. That's what you want, right? Let's go find rest.
Rest? This is my chance to get the keys. That treasure is mine.
Well, look here. This place seems perfect for your rest, right? I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do while you enjoy your rest. Starting with this. I'm thirsty. Do you mind if I get water since you're commanding everything? Go ahead, rest. Go. Since you're the captain.
Captain's gonna regret that. I gotta get those keys.
Once he's done with his rest, you've got to kill him. So the treasure will be all mine. Did you, rest already? I'm gonna go, check that out. Someone wants our treasure. Well, I had checked it out. There was... Oh. He's resting. Like a feather. Now's my chance. Get back here! I'll deal with you later. Get back here! Oh! What do you want?
The keys! Captain! Who is this stranger?
I don't know.
Why are you still alive?
What do you mean? Why am I still alive? What do you mean?
I poisoned you, Captain.
You did what? You poisoned me? Why would you poison me? No, don't speak. I know why. You want all my fame and glory to yourself. Maybe that's not it. Maybe you want my keys to the treasure! Disloyal! Hey everybody! He thinks he can kill me! You go! Is he dead? Like really dead? I think he is. Thank you. Now I'm gonna kill you. It has been very fun, but for trying to take my treasure, die. No use. No one will have this treasure.
Hey, Hannah.
Hey, Amaya.
Look at all the people who went missing over break.
People went missing over break? Are you serious?
Well, just make sure you stay safe walking around school because all the students went missing from here.
Oh my god, thank you for letting me know.
Yeah, of course. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
What's up, Hannah?
What's up, Zane?
Haven't seen you since summer break. How are you doing?
I'm good. My summer break was low-key boring, though. I was just with my family the entire time.
Really?
What about you? How's your break?
It was good. I went to Disneyland. It was fun. Some of the rides were... Alright, I gotta go to class. Meet up outside the dean's office?
Okay.
Alright, see you after school.
See you.
This is 19.
All right. Good morning, Scots. It's Hannah.
To get turned into the inbox after we...
Thought you weren't gonna show up because your girlfriend.
Nah, she knows we're just friends.
I know, I just like to mess around with you, but you were talking about Disneyland earlier. How was it?
I got to ride the Incredicoaster for the first time. It was a little scary, but I got through it.
Must be nice actually having plans during your break.
Bro, don't even say that. I invited you over a bunch of times and you just said no.
Bruh, I know, I'm sorry. I just like to be alone sometimes, you know?
It's all good. Just to make up for it, you gotta go to one of my water polo matches or jazz band gigs.
I wish I could say the same to you, but I don't participate in nothing like that.
Find something you think you'll like and you can do something this year.
Zane, you know me. I don't like doing anything. I just come to school so I can get good grades from my parents, and that way my counselor doesn't ask me 21 questions about why I'm failing this year.
Well, I guess you're right. But no pressure. It's the first day of school.
Yeah, you're right about that. It's crazy how it's the first day of school and there's already 4 students missing, though. Have you heard about that?
Yeah, I heard about it in the summer and I seen the posters over there.
I guess we better be careful this year. I don't want nothing happening to me.
I know, me too.
You want to get going so we can get to the bus?
Yeah, let's go.
Good morning, Scots. I'm Regina.
And I'm Amaya. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
We just wrapped up our first week of school and we have some pretty big announcements, so listen up.
First up, our football team's first home game is coming up August 23rd against East Bakersfield at 7 p.m.
Make sure you come out, show your school spirit, and support our team this football season.
Next, our drama program is kicking off the year with the play Puffs.
Auditions are coming soon, so if you want to be part of something magical, start preparing now.
Also, big news, Highland's pool is expected to be ready this school year. Get excited for the grand opening.
Now, for a series update, we have some heartbreaking news regarding missing students at Highland.
The 4 missing students are Izzy Robles, Gabby Reynoso, Julian Medina, and Nick Vaca.
Please stay alert, don't walk alone, and always be aware of your surroundings.
Stay safe, Scots.
And that's all for today.
And always remember to plaid up.
We need to make the best music video in class, and we just step up on our game.
Yeah, Shadi, you're right.
What song should we do for our project?
I don't know, but it needs to be a really good song.
What kind of music should we do, though?
What artists are popular right now?
We should do like a Billie Eilish song. She's pretty popular. I was thinking something more like Drake.
Oh yeah, or we could do like Kendrick Lamar. People like his music.
Actually, let's do Fashion Killer by A$AP Rocky.
Hey, okay.
Who's with me?
Good morning, Scots. I'm Regina, and welcome back to Scots Weekly. Today's show is a bit more serious. My co-host, Amaya Ruiz, has gone missing, making the total 5 missing students. Scots, if you see any of them or have any information, call 911. This situation is growing more concerning by the day. Stay alert, stay safe, and always be aware of your surroundings. And as always, remember to plaid up.
Her pistol go. Her pistol go. I said her pistol go. Cause she a fashion killer and I'm a trendy figure. I said her pistol go. Her pistol go. I said her pistol go. Cause she a fashion killer and I'm a jiggy figure. I said rockin', rollin', swaggin' to the max, fashion killer. She be busy popping tags. She got a lot of Prada, that Dolce & Gabbana. I can't forget a Scotta and that Balenciaga. I'm sippin'. Be my Aunt your mama, and if you is a rider, we go shopping like manana. Her attitude Rihanna, she get it from her mama. She jiggy like Madonna, but she trippy like Nirvana. Cause everything designer. Her jeans is Helmet Lang, shoes is Alexander Wang, and her shirt the newest Donna Karen. Wearing all the Cartier frames, Jean Paul Gaultier's, cause they match with her persona.
music video turned out so good. I hope we get a good grade.
No, yeah, we will.
Oh my god. Another student went missing. I wonder what happened. Yeah, it happened by the wall, I think.
I'm going to turn in this project, and then I'm going to have my mom pick me up if you want to come over and do some homework.
No, I'm good, but thanks.
Oh, I have practice right now. I have to go walk by, like, down to the gym. Do you guys want to go with me?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna do some homework here at the library.
Oh, yeah, I'll come with you. Okay. Hannah, you're going to stay by yourself?
No, I need to get my grade up. Make sure you don't walk by yourself, okay? Okay, bye.
Yeah, I'm going to take off too. My mom's here.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Get home safe.
Have you noticed Hannah always says no to our plans?
Yeah, it's every time.
Yeah, I know.
She's always been like that. You can ask your best friend Zane. He'll say the same thing.
Well, that's our friend, so we have to respect her choices.
Yeah.
Hey, Brent, the video came out good already? I haven't yet.
Yeah, great. I think I.
It's gonna be.
Yeah, no rush, but because I forgot to save it and I just turned the PowerPoint.
I feel so bored this year. I'm always saying no to my friends when they invite me places. I need to take more risks for myself to be more outgoing. I know what. I should go by the auditorium to see if I could solve the case of the missing students. That's where Maya went missing. Alright, let me see if I could find something that'll help me out. No luck here. Ugh, this is too heavy for me. I'm so over this.
Yes, I'm no longer among the living, but if you can help me prevent this, you will be rewarded.
I must be going crazy right now. There's actually no way.
Go to the library and search for a treasure box. If you are successful, you will be awarded with a map.
Rewarded how?
The treasure map will lead you to the goal. You will be forever wealthy.
Really? How can I believe you?
You would only believe me once you find the treasure map. Gather a group of people you can trust. It won't be easy.
No, this is my booster here. I'm just like.
I forgot there was testing.
No way, really. Alright, man. How you doing?
So you needed to tell me something about a map?
Yeah, because you're the only one I trust here.
Come on, did you just print this to joke around with me?
Just let me explain everything. You know Amaya from Scots Weekly, right?
Yeah, I heard she went missing for a couple days.
Yeah, well, we can bring back everyone and get rewarded.
You're crazy, Hannah.
Bro, I'm being for real. Follow me and you'll see it for yourself.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
After you.
Amaya! Amaya! I brought a friend.
Hannah, I think you're going crazy. What happened to you?
I died trying to look for the treasure myself.
Still think I'm going crazy?
Have you found the treasure map yet?
I did actually.
All right, well, where's your team? You know you need a bigger one to survive the challenges, right?
What?
This is our team.
It's like Shark Boy and Lava Girl.
You really want to end up like me?
Well, gather more people and be ready for anything. Each challenge will give you a key to open the treasure box.
Wait, so where did she go?
No more questions. It's time to get to work.
We need to recruit someone smart for this.
Are you thinking about Kasara?
Yeah, she's always finding ways to hack the school without getting caught.
Yeah, she used to have a class in the library, so she would help me and change my grades.
Really?
Yeah, but it was COVID. Nobody really cared.
Yeah, you're right. Hey, Kasara.
We need your help with something.
Depends on what it is.
We need some muscle on the team.
Come on, Hannah. You know that's my role. I'm forever Spider-Man.
Okay, Spidey, but we need more strength for the challenges.
I agree, but who?
Do you know who Donovan is?
Oh, is it that kid that's like Ronnie Coleman?
Yes!
Hey, Jonah, I hear what you did to my cousin. What's good, boys? Wait, you just what? Bro, we can't even do this. Let's go get him.
And my size as well.
I wasn't expecting that.
Me neither.
You're Donovan, right?
Yeah, I heard they call you the Basher.
Yeah, but you can call me Jonah. Who are you guys?
I'm Hannah. This is my friend Zane.
I just seen you. Are you good?
Yeah, it was light work. They were nothing.
We needed you to help us with something.
Depends on what it is.
What do I need to tell him? Hello?
Listen up. I need you to cut off all the cameras at Highland before we break into the school tonight.
Yeah, I'm on it. I'll meet you here later tonight. Alright, I'm going. I'm cut off the cameras, okay? You guys keep a lookout.
Alright, you got it.
Run. Alright guys, come on, let's go. Alright.
guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready to break into school.
Yeah, we're ready. I'm all good. We go hit this.
Let's do this. Come on, guys, let's pick up the pace. Hey, Victor, did you cut off those cameras?
Yeah, I did it this morning. We're all good.
All right, let's do this.
Look at these rookies. They left the door wide open for us.
All right, let's huddle up, guys, and talk about the game plan. All right, guys, let's huddle up. Make it quick. Make it quick. All right, this is you guys remember the game plan?
Yes.
You gotta keep it short, simple, and we can't leave no trays. Victor got the cans. Are you guys ready to do this?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, let's do this.
Breaking news, Scots. Last night, the gym was vandalized by a group of students. One suspect has been arrested and 3 others are still at large. Nick B was thought to be one of the missing students, but turns out he was just one of the suspects. If you see any of them, please call 911. And as always, Scots, remember to stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, and then remember to plat up.
I need to help Amaya and everyone else too. But I need one more for the team. I can't believe Gabby's missing too. I need to call Raquel. Raquel, did you know your sister's missing? I can help you find her though if you're up for it.
What are you talking about? The school already failed. What can you do?
Bro, just trust me.
That depends. Whatever this is, it better actually help me find her.
Alright team, listen up. I found a treasure map and it's leading us to 3 keys right here at Highland. The football field, the 11 buildings, and the wall. Our job, to find 3 keys, 1 at each location to unlock the ultimate treasure.
But it won't be easy. Each spot holds a challenge that we must beat together. These obstacles will test our teamwork, our strength, and our determination.
Our final stop is the wall, and I have a feeling that's where the toughest challenge awaits. But I know we've got what it takes. When we reach that last key, we'll be ready.
And remember, our mission isn't just about the treasure. It's about saving those who are missing. We're in this together, and in the end, victory will be ours.
Hey, that kid Nick isn't missing. He just got arrested for that gym situation. Like, y'all acting like he robbed a Walmart or something.
My bad. You're right, Jono. Just 4 people missing?
I'm ready to save my sister.
I'm ready so we can be rich. Oh, and save the people.
I'm just happy that I have something to do instead of playing Fortnite, but I'm ready too.
Alrighty then, let's head towards the wall. I need to introduce you guys to someone.
Amaya. Amaya.
Amaya!
Amaya. She was here last time.
Guys, I'm right behind you.
You can't keep scaring us like that.
So we have a team. Is there anything you can tell us about this map?
First key is located in the football field, and the second key you'll find in the science department. And then the last key is in the auditorium. But one last thing, you guys don't look ready.
What do you mean we don't look ready?
Here, I'll help you guys out.
What the heck is stupid Spider-Man mask?
What the heck?
Why you got bowling shoes on, boy?
Why are you dressed like Peter Pan?
Why you got stripes?
Does this make my butt look big?
Change us back.
Good luck.
Where'd she go?
What the heck?
You can't just leave us like this.
Whatever, let's just go.
Arr!
Quite big. You got the stuff?
Yeah, I got it. Okay, remember, we're getting paid back for Nick, okay?
Alright.
Let's mask up. Alright guys, stop. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright. They ain't gonna know what hit them. Alright, you shut it up. Let's keep a lookout.
Yeah.
Amaya said this is where the first clue was. Wait, who are those guys right there?
What are they doing over there? What are they doing over there?
Let's go check it out.
We're company.
Hey, we got company. Let's get out of here.
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's a bomb. Does anyone know how to do that?
how to disarm it?
We're gonna die! Help me with the wire? Shut up, Jonah! Which wire do I cut?
Jesus God!
I don't know.
There's red,
What
blue,
kind-
and...
Red, blue, I'm seeing gray, very gray, and super gray.
Are you colorblind?
What are you talking about?
Just pull one!
Laser! Ah!
It didn't even blow up.
Jonah!
No!
God dang it, Jonah.
Guys, we need to start looking for the key.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go, Jonah.
Oh, my legs!
Check right here.
Okay, I'll check here. Man. Oh! How did these other people not find this?
Did you find it?
Yeah, look!
Let's go tell them and let's meet up and we'll go to the next challenge.
Yeah.
Kel, we found the key.
We gotta go meet up with them. Do you have your phone?
Yeah, I'll send a message right now.
Alright, let's go.
Sorry, Hannah, we found the key.
Oh my god.
Let's go to the next challenge now.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm way too tired for this.
Yeah, I'm definitely tired.
This is where we're supposed to be.
Supposedly.
I'm not sure we're in the right place. Well, I'm not seeing anything special in the classroom.
There's gotta be something in here.
What is this random cup of water doing here?
Hey guys, it's unlocked. Nothing, it's just another room, but I'm gonna check it out. You guys can stay in there.
The heck? Why is there a pair of Crocs in here?
Raquel, there's another door over here.
You don't belong here.
Hannah, was that you?
I told you to leave.
What is this room? Whoa, cool. Hannah!
Turn on your flashlight.
I'm already dead.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Just go grab the key.
You think it's in there?
Open it.
Dang it, it's dead. I think the key's right there. Don't worry, I'm really strong. What the?
Let me help you.
I loosened it for you. Don't. You got
Totally.
it. Let's go.
obtain a guitar.
Did you find the key upstairs? No, if we find this key, we can bring her back. It's supposed to be downstairs. Let's go. There it is.
There's no way to open it.
I'll swing. Let's go. Did it. We got it. Let's go get the treasure. I think this is it.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Regina. Over spring break, a group of students attempted to bomb the football field, but thankfully their plan was stopped by other students. All 3 suspects have been arrested. Breaking news, Scots! The same students who saved the football field have now rescued all the missing students, including Amaya. Get ready to welcome back Amaya after the quick break. Check out this video.
Hey, I'm gonna be a little late.
Amaya, you gotta be on your A game.
I'm on my
You
way.
cannot be late.
I'll be there, I promise.
Hey, can you hear me? Maya.
Hey Scots, I'm Amaya and I'm so happy to be back.
We're glad to have you back, but what happened?
That's a long story, but I just want to say thank you to 5 incredible classmates, Hannah, Zane, Raquel, Kasara, and Jonah. They risked their lives to save everyone who went missing here at Highland.
Wow, that's crazy. I heard they all graduated early and left already. Do you know why?
I'm not sure, but they definitely deserved it. That's all I have to say.
Well, we're just happy to be back, Amaya.
Thank you, Regina. Now let's move on to our final announcements for the school year.
The last day of school is May 30.
Summer school will run for 4 weeks starting June 2nd and ending June 27th.
Plus, there's one more holiday during the summer, June 19th.
Finally, if you have any questions about your classes for next school year, email your counselors ASAP.
All right, Scots, that's it for us.
And always remember to
Plot up!